Hello everybody, welcome back to Key Creations. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. My name is Keisha, and for those of you that are new, thank you for joining us, and I hope you will return. So guys, today's video is a collaboration with my wonderful, beautiful friend, Mrs.Tena, over at Rhapsody In Ribbons. So we're going to do Easter spring centerpieces. So guys, whenever you are done watching my video, go over to Miss Tina's channel and watch her video and give her some love, you guys. Okay, so today I'm not gonna tell you everything up front what I'm using because I really don't know. I have a variety of things over here that I'm gonna use, but let's get started. So this little planter pot or whatever, I got this from Dollar Tree. So what I've done is I put some foam pieces in the bottom like that. I'm just going to place them there in the bottom. Okay, so what I'm also going to do, I have this Spanish moss. So I'm going to open this up and just kind of start filling in some of those spaces around the foam. Okay, I'm just going to start filling in these spots here. And then when we get kind of done with our putting our pieces in there, we're going to go back through and probably add some more of this moss to it. So you just want to fill it in. So now we have it filled in like so, okay? And so now we're going to start just sticking our pieces in there. So I have these little bunny picks, and they're from Dollar Tree. I also have these too. And you know, they come two in a pack. So we're going to use these, and these are kind of going to be like the center of, you know, of the whole centerpiece. So I'm just going to cut this down a little bit with my wire cutters. So you're going to need some wire cutters, and we're just going to cut these down like so. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick them like kind of right here. Let me do it this way. I'm going to face it my way, and then as I'm doing it, I'll turn around and show you guys. I'm not that good where I can do it like that. Okay. So stick it in there as far as you want. I might put all 4 of them in there, or maybe 3. Maybe I'll do them like that. Okay. So I got those in there like that. Okay. So now we're going to just come in with our flowers. And I just picked out a different variety. Well, let's put a little bit of greenery on it first. I have little greenery pieces here, and these are from Dollar Tree too. So I don't have much greenery, but I'm gonna go through and just put some pieces in there a little bit. So just stick them, you know, put one on that side, put some here, and just kind of fill it around. So this is how we're looking. Okay. So now we're going to come in with the flowers, and like I said, I just have a variety of them, so it's no rhyme or reason. So we're going to go in with a few of these here. These they're called tea roses, and I really like the colors, you know. They're really pretty. So we're going to come in with these tea roses, and this is from Dollar Tree too. So it seems like, I believe everything I'm using is from Dollar Tree. Okay, so we're going to take some of those and just stick them in there. I guess we'll just do some at different heights, you know. So we're gonna stick some of these. Y'all, I'm not a floral arranger. I don't none of that. I just, if it looks right to me, then I just go with it. So, all right, we're gonna keep on going. I might have to move these little bunnies up a little bit. I want to see the bunnies. Okay. We got. Okay, so this is how we are looking so far. Okay, so let's come in with, let's put a little bit of yellow in there. I think that would be really pretty. She does, the bunnies have this little yellow piece in their little bow or flower thing. So let's see how that'll look. I think I'm gonna stick them like right there by them. Down in there, like that. Some of these little flowers here, and it just says bouquet on the tag, so we're gonna take some of these and place them okay. So now we have these lilac, so we're gonna go in with some of this lilac, and we're gonna place some. Let's come over here. So let's see. Let's fill in a little bit more with these flowers. So I'm gonna go back in with some of these roses here and put another one. Let's see. So now we have that, and so right now I want to kind of go in with these little eggs here. These are from Dollar Tree. Oh, I said everything is from Dollar Tree, so we're gonna go in with a few of these, and I'm gonna cut them down a little bit with my wire cutters. And so I might have cut that one too short, but we're gonna, I guess, stick this one in the front so you can see it. Cut it a little bit too short, but that's okay. We got this one. I'll leave it a little longer. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna place this here. And guys, so this is how we're looking now. Okay. And so basically, I'm almost done. I'm gonna go through and on the sides a little bit and put some more of this moss in there. I already pre-made this bow, so just for, you know, the time on the video, I didn't want it to be so long, but I will leave the link to my bow tutorial in the description box. And basically it's just like 3 bows stacked on top of each other. So I have the pipe cleaner back here. So all I'm gonna do is take this stick here and I'm going to place it here in the pipe cleaner. And then I'm just tightening the pipe cleaner around the stick. And so we're going to make this into like a pick so we can just stick it down into the foam, okay? Just tighten it tight. You could put a little hot glue on it back there if you wanted to get it more secure. But this is how I'm going to wrap it around, okay? Hopefully it'll stay. So I'm just going to kind of cut the little pipe cleaners. Okay. Cool. Okay, so let me see where I want to stick my bow. I think I'm going to put it off to the side. And I don't know, I'm going to stick it here. Let's see. So I'm going to set this all up, finish doing all of that, and then I'll show you what it looks like all completed. Okay guys, so I have my little centerpiece sitting on my entryway table, and I have those little rabbits that I got from Dollar Tree probably last year. So, and literally it took me maybe 15 minutes to make this centerpiece. Really quick and easy. So guys, what do you think? I think it turned out really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you would, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys and have a blessed day.